Yeah, so I just want to make this video and talk about email marketing campaigns. So I've set up my own email marketing campaign that I didn't have in place before because I kind of got inspired by this marketer that I had signed up for his own email marketing campaign, I guess you could say. So I was looking around and trying to figure out, I was learning about paid ads and I wanted to learn more about YouTube, advertising on YouTube. So I was searching around and once I kind of entered that term a few times, I started getting hit with this, with the same ad over and over for kind of like a checklist or a guide for learning about how to set up YouTube marketing campaigns, right? So I signed up and I got his checklist and I checked it out and I watched his webinar or whatever, but I wasn't ready to sign up for a consultation call. Now this person has emailed, and this person's email campaign is just a daily event. Every day I get emails from this person in regards to their service offering, set up and help for, they're basically an ad agency and they want to, get you on a call and sell you, which is cool. But what really impressed me about it was just the fact that it's just nonstop, that it's every day, every single day that I'm getting, emails from this person. And I just thought, when I get people signed up, I know I'm not emailing enough. I know I'm not using my list enough. So I'm going to go and actually change that and go write up my own email marketing campaign. And what's great is that I didn't have to go and start from scratch. I created, it was a 25 email marketing campaign, but all I did was just go through and all the products that I could promote through ClickFunnels, I went through and had a look at their sample emails that they had in place there. And instead of going and just taking and copying them straight across and just putting them in place and being lazy about it, just kind of reading the email over, getting the gist of it, maybe copying like certain portions over and start modifying it. But by the time it was done, it looked nothing like the, kind of like the initial emails that they offered to use, but it gives you at least a starting point, right? And then just by putting those in place and setting those up, I could see that I was getting action from them, right? Opens, clicks, engagement, people are going and checking, and I was actually making money from just having this email marketing campaign in place inside my business. So the cool thing is that now that this campaign, because I set it up and like the first few people have gone through all the way through, and I can see the results and see what's going on. I can see the emails that performed really good. I can see the emails that didn't. So now all I do is I just go in and find the low performing emails, right? And I just go and change up the first step is to go change up the subject line and see what happens and see if the improvement or the engagement level improves, if I get better results from them, right? If that doesn't change, if I'm still not getting very many clicks or results from that email, then I'll just go change it. Maybe change out big portions of the email, make it better, but I know where to start because I'm getting results. But the fact is that now I know that every day I'm getting, like as soon as somebody signs up for my list, when I see a new set of subscribers, I know that they're going to get this like lengthy email campaign, and that, things are going to happen, that, my business, my email is working for me, and that I've got something in place. And it's all because of this other person that I signed up for and seeing their email campaign in action. So yes, email campaigns do work. Set them up for yourself and then just constantly improve and tweak them. And I will see you in the next video.